Hey everybody, what's up? Travis Gaming 2230 here today with a fire alarm video. Now I've been gone for a while, and I've been really busy, with this sublimation machine. This is a heat press, and I've been busy with these Dogs Are Good cups and stuff, and yeah. So I want to show you something in here in the garage. I am doing a fire alarm video today. We got a Wheelock. So first off, we got a Wheelock AS up here. A Nonifire BG10, which right now I'm going to put the key inside the fire alarm key. Here's your Nonifire key right there. Put it in there, it's kind of hard. Yep, there we go. Hey, this one has a lock on it. We got the Wheelock AS, Nonifire BG10. And this is getting worked on soon. This doesn't work yet. That's a Wheelock RSS, but it doesn't work yet. I gotta work on that soon. I've been doing fire alarms in my spare time. So this right here is the Silent Night SK4224. The Wheelock RSS, same one over there. Yeah. So, and then the Firelight BG12 that sadly doesn't work. And then up here, we're gonna set this off today. Up here we have a system sensor smoke. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and hit the station. In 3, 2, 1. I'm going to keep the key in there. Looks like the strobe is flashing really good. Not on camera. And that is the fire alarm. The first fire alarm. Well, actually, I think I want to see if this, I don't know. Let me see if this pole station here works. I wish I could put it in walk test, but you need batteries for it. I'll set this off. I'm going to fire this one off, see if this actually works. Huh. Oh. Does work. Yeah, it does. He's stuck. Yeah. So it does work. It just has a delay on it. It just has kind of a delay on it. So let's go ahead and set off. Let's wait till this goes into a battery. There we go. Battery. Okay, the panel's silenced. Let's go ahead and set off the i3. There we go. There we go. And the system is shut off. Okay, so I think that concludes the test. I pretty much tested all the stations and smoke detectors. Yeah, that pretty much concludes the test of the fire alarm system. Thanks for watching, you guys. and subscribe.